Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. So I'm going to go up under Review to start out in the upper left corner. The next one here is the Administrator. When I click on that, it's going to open up a window here asking me if I want to allow Administrator to make edits. So I'm going to click yes. It's going to open up this window here. And you'll notice if you have Bluebeam CAD or Extreme, you will have plugins here for the different software on your machine, like Revit, the Microsoft suites, and you can check those and turn them on, and it will put a add-in button in the ribbon, so you can print directly from those softwares. And then you can dive into the network, the net config. You'll see different where things are pointed here, and then printer settings as well. This is where you can make some adjustments to how you want things to print. So here, I'm just going to cancel this one. I hope you took some notes. I hope you enjoyed the detailed introduction of parts of the interface in Bluebeam Revu. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.